Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present the business model canvas of OKLO Industries, an advanced nuclear energy company. OKLO focuses on developing small, compact nuclear power plants called Aurora reactors, which provide clean, reliable, and carbon-free energy. Unlike traditional energy companies, OKLO follows an energy as a service model. That means they don't just sell reactors, they build, own, and operate them and supply electricity to customers through long term agreements. Now, let's understand their business model using the business model canvas.
Okay, now let's talk about the value propositions. OKLO provides small scale cleaning energy ranging from 15 to 75 megawatts. Their key advantages is reliable 24 into 7 power with zero carbon emission. They also use advanced fuel recycling technology, which can convert nuclear waste into useful energy. And another important feature is flexibility. They can supply power to data centers, industries, and even remote locations. And then we are going to talk about customer segments. The main customers of OKLO includes data centers and tech companies that need continuous power, utilities and government bodies looking for clean energy, and defense system and industrial sectors that requires secure and reliable energy. These customers usually need a long-term energy solution.
Key activities. OCLA's main activities include designing and developing Aurora reactors, getting regulatory approvals from nuclear authorities, producing and managing nuclear fuel, operating and maintaining power plants. These activities are essential to deliver safe and efficient energy. Key resources. The company depends on its advanced nuclear reactor technology, access to special nuclear fuel like HALEU, government approvals and licenses, strong partnership with research organization. These resources help OKLO stay competitive in the energy sector. Key partnerships. OKLO works closely with the US Department of Energy for funding and supporting nuclear research labs. Private partners for construction and fuel supply. These partnerships are very important for growth and innovation.
When it comes to customer relationship, their main approach is through long-term contracts, especially power purchase agreements, also called as PPAs. These agreements can last for many years and even decades. Oklo follows a high-touch relationship model. This means they work very closely with each customer instead of treating them as just buyers. Another important aspect is trust and transparency. Since nuclear energy involves safety concerns, customers need a high level of confidence. They also provide ongoing support and service. Because Oklo owns and operates the reactors, customers don't need to worry about maintenance or technical issues. Channels. First, they use direct business to business sales. This means they directly approach large customers like data centers, industrial companies, and utilities. Second, Oklo uses government contracting channels. Since nuclear energy is closely linked with national policies, they participate in government programs, pilot projects, and tenders. So, overall, Oklo channels are not mass market channels. They are highly targeted, relationship driven, and long term focused, which suits their complex and high value product.
Cost structure. The major costs include high initial investment for building the reactor, research and development expense, fuel and operational cost. Currently, the company spends a lot before generating revenue. Revenue streams. OKLO earns revenue mainly from selling electricity through long-term agreements, future income from isotope production, potential service for operating reactors for others. Their focus on steady long-term income. To conclude, OKLO as a unique and future-focused business model based on the clean energy and long-term service. If successful, OKLO can play major role in future sustainable energy.